This is the decor at the MOXY Hotel, y'all. Look at it. It's got an Elvis cowboy theme, guys. Nice. Hey, look at my cousin and Steve. Having a little cocktail at the MOXY Hotel, y'all. Gotta love this hotel. It has check-in and a restaurant all in one spot. The MOXY Hotel, y'all. Okay, let me show you my room. We're in 405. Oh, look at the fancy door. Oh, look. This is a really nice room. The MOXY Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. Ah, they have portable tables hanging on the wall. There you got a big screen TV. It's a smart TV. Look at there. European design chair. And the view sits right next to where the trolleys come through. I didn't know they had trolleys in Memphis. And of course you get an ice bucket, but the 1800 margarita in Kettle One doesn't come with the room. Oh, this is a nice little room here. I guess it's got an Elvis theme. Look how you can just take the table off the wall and the little suitcase stand that turns into if you want to use it for a chair. And it hangs right back on the wall. Isn't that fancy? Only at the MOXY Hotel, Memphis, Tennessee, y'all. Yes, and let's take a look at the bathroom. Ah, everything is so new and fresh and updated. I seen this had 2 stars. I give this place here a 4 or 5 star. It's very clean, very fresh and new. All the tub and flooring. Nice, y'all. Beautiful flooring. This is a great little room at the MOXY Hotel. And it's not as expensive as all the big name hotels. And this is in downtown Memphis. When you need a little stopover, try the MOXY Hotel, y'all. Valet service, y'all, at the MOXY.